Status of arterial stiffness in proficient and non-proficient healthy subjects. By Snesis Bhunia, Hira Kant Singh, Anuradha Iyer and Sunil Kumar Sharma. Arterial stiffness describes the rigidity of arterial walls. As per common language, this is called hardening of arteries. Another way of saying increased tension in the arteries or decreased elastic characteristic or compliance appears from the observation showing predominantly atherminous calcified plaques in the various layers of blood vessels. Cardiovascular disease, CVD, is associated with the development of an atherosclerotic process that begins in the arteries, representing vascular pathology, can be measured in the form of reflection index, RI, representing stiffness of small and medium-sized arteries, stiffness index, C, representing stiffness of large arteries and other non-invasive cardiovascular parameters, useful for evaluation of endothelial function, leads to cardiovascular morbidity and mortality. Previous reports have described the significant reduction of arterial stiffness and alteration in other related cardiovascular parameters in athletes as well as in proficient individuals and in yoga groups. No report so far is available on comparative analysis of non-invasive vascular parameters such as reflection index, vascular tone, termed as RI, large artery stiffness index, SI, dicrotic index, DI, heart rate, HR, and cardiac parameters such as left ventricular ejection time, LEVT, diastolic time, ejection slope, DP/dt max in proficient and non-proficient healthy subjects. The present study has been undertaken to analyze the differences in non-invasive cardiovascular responses in both proficient and non-proficient healthy subjects. Various non-invasive cardiovascular parameters like RI, SI, DI, DP/dt max, LVET, pulse duration, diastolic time, ejection slope and systolic, diastolic, mean and pulse pressure were studied in both the groups by using PC-based PPG analysis system, non-invasive assessment. In the present study, no statistically significant differences were found in body weight and age, DP/dt max and ejection slope in two groups, proficient and non-proficient, but statistically significant differences were found in RI, SI, pulse duration, diastolic time, systolic, SBP, diastolic, DBP, pulse, PP, and mean arterial blood pressure, MAB, signifying improved endothelial function and also would be attributed to increased parasympathetic tone in proficient as compared to non-proficient subjects irrespective of both age and sex. Significant reductions with SI and RI indicated increased arterial compliance in proficient individuals. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.